How to join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. So if you want to join private channel on Telegram without the invitation link, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, you just need to simply go with a channel that you've created. And after that, go with the top right, which has that three dots. And then you can go with the three dots again. And you will have group settings, or you will have add members option right here. So you just need to simply tap on add members and then tap on invite to group via link and then copy the link. Once you copy the link, now you need to open up your browser. Now paste the link that you've copied and then remove half of the link, and after that enter the private channel name that you would like to join without the invitation link. So enter the name. For example, I'll just simply choose a channel name which is football and then search. Once you've searched, you will have a lot of private channels. So you just need to simply go with open in web or continue to Instagram. So I'll just simply go with continue to Instagram, which is on the upper side. And you will have an option of join group. You can simply tap on join group and you'll be able to join the private channel on your Telegram without the invitation link. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.